This is blanket stitch. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start over on the left. I thread my needle, bring my thread through to about 1/3 to halfway, and now I'm going to secure the thread on the back. I'm going to bring it to the front, but before I bring it all the way, you see this loop here? I'm going to put the needle through the loop and then pull it firm. That gets me started. Now, 1, 2, see I'm 2 from the edge, 2 holes from the edge, and 2 holes from the last stitch. I take the needle in and out over the thread, in and out over the thread, in and out over the thread, in, out, over the thread. And you pull it slightly tight each time, but not too tight. I'll do one more and then finish off. 1, 2, up to the front of the thread, there. In order to finish off, I have to make this here a secure stitch. So I'll turn it to the back. I'm going to go over it once more, just so it sort of knots on itself, and then post under the threads of the binker. There. Blanket stitch. You can do that at 1 hole or at 2 holes worth. Much bigger gets a bit awkward, but it's your choice.